Kaya naman Juice, rampa na. Next naman si Onero. At eto na nga, birthday ng aming chef, Nanay!
Ano daw ito? Wala, joke lang.
Wow, pizza, social. Parang nasa Tagaytay lang. Wow, nasa Tagaytay.
At tingnan nyo naman, pusturang-pusturang aming chef Nanay, oh.
Happy birthday po. Si Honor po to. Kakain po ako ng madaming cake. Guys, mga tol, birthday po ng lola ko. Si Lola Aling po. Picture-picture lang at kanta-kanta lang po.
And the winner is...
Gandang Lola, 2026. Wow, birthday queen. Aba, gandang Lola pala si Nanay eh.
Tingnan mo naman at napakasaya ng ating chef Nanay.
Parang ano?
Isaw!
Bisa
Kaya, miss! Oh, picture kayo. Alam ni Papa. Picture. Isa pa na yung picture.
Nagalit si Dash. Kinikilig si Sophie. Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Ang sweet, para di nag-aaway. Ayun.
O, mag-wish kayo. Wish. O, yan. O, blow na, blow.
Sana tumama sa iyo.
Ayan.
Isang, ayan, yung gantong side naman yung maganda dito. 1, 2, 3. Yung may candy, ano, simple. Asan yung lighter? May simple. Electric na tali. Ang ligaling ni Dasha. Ganun ba lagi si Dasha? May tama.
May sipon lang siguro. May sipon.
O, mag-sip naman kayo ng wine. Konti lang, ha?
Pati lang, baka malasing kayo, ha? Ayan. O, tama na, baka malasing kayo yan.
Baka matuling-tuling kayo.
Nabili na. Ayan na.
Okay, wine nyo lang. Nanggigigil pa si nanay mo. Mag-ismail ka nga rin habang
Ayan.
nag-iwa ka. Hindi nanggigigil ka sa...
O, dali, blow. Blow na ka tayo.
Siyempre, meron din namang kantahan.
It's just a little I see, so I know that you're not coming back to me. You know I do.
Sila laining.
Make me sad, but I just had to let you go. If the feeling is gone, with tears in your eyes, you get to hold your head up high.
Yung boses sana Susan, wala pa kayong mga kamay. Aba,
life that's
Sakali ay pero pinag-isipan mo ba kahit ikaw ay magaling sa'yo nang lalapit kahit di ka na sa'kin.
top of the world ice cream.
my name, and it's telling me the things I had to say. It believes on the breeze and the touch of the breeze. This is happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. It's the love that I found every single day around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday's dead, and tomorrow's out of sight. And it's sad to be alone. Yesterday's dead, and tomorrow out of sight. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night.
Ganda ng kanta.
Go. When the song begins again, so late and so away it used to be. Before silent and changed it all to sadness. And maybe it is passing by the wind. If the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. Never start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Sitting together, never die. Felicidad, te deseo lo más bueno, malos.
Ang saya talaga kapag birthday celebration, sama-sama may kayong pamilya, may kainan, kantahan, picture-picture, at syempre, yung mahalagang bagay na makakasama mo, ang magulang mo na nagse-celebrate ng birthday. At yung memories ng family, di ba? Sarap kumain! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Jukes ko po vlog. Rampa na!